The month of August is coming to an end, meaning we get to reflect on 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month. Without further ado, let's get started. The first app we have is called Animatix, or Animatix, and it's a powerful new photo editing app that transforms your static photos into animated photos and cartoons. You can add motion effects to make certain areas of your photos come to life. There's 24 animation styles to choose from and a bunch of cartoony effects. The results obviously will vary based on the quality of the source photo, but you can get some pretty neat results that you can then share with your social networks. Karma is a charity app that caters local nonprofits and charities to you via this simple application. You can see what's happening in your area, and you can see others who have made donations to various charities in a similar layout as Venmo. I just wanted to include this app on the list to help you see what charities and nonprofits are in your area. If you're feeling like giving, you might want to consider donating some of your time or money. One of my all-time favorite games, Bloons Tower Defense, has partnered with one of my all-time favorite TV shows, Adventure Time, on a game called Bloons Adventure Time Tower Defense. It's a pretty sweet crossover, as you can play as an Adventure Time character like Finn, Jake, Princess Bubblegum, and Marceline, and you can play on a ton of different maps in the land of Ooo. You add in the fact that there's over 200 weapons and items to choose from, each with their own power-ups, and you've got yourself a game that should keep you entertained for hours on end. Evo Flow Planner is a rather unique daily planner app. What separates it from the others is its personalization. Right off the bat, the app will quiz you to determine your personality type. From there, it will give you a step-by-step on how to improve your ability to tackle day-to-day tasks. This is where the actual productivity portion of the app comes in. You have some fancy visuals with graphs and icons. There are audio guides available and the ability to add friends and teammates. The only major caveat I see with this app is that after the free trial expires, it does cost a few bucks per month to use and take advantage of all the different features. Cinder is like Tinder, but for cleaning the unwanted contacts from your phone. It's really simple. When you boot up the app and give it access to your contacts, you can swipe left and right to scrub unwanted people from your contacts or from your phone. A swipe left will mark the contact for deletion, while a swipe right will keep the contact. Boom, it's that simple. Make Colors is a colorful new color matching game where you get points by dragging the colored blocks onto the board and getting 3 in a row. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is, and that's what makes it so great. The goal is to see how many points you can get before you brick yourself and can't move any more blocks up to the grid. The animations and game controls are flawless. If you like what you see, you should check out Make Colors. Accelerator Speed Reader lets you quickly read articles at superhuman speeds using science. The idea is that when you're only shown one word at a time, you can read and process it much faster than if you're shown a whole page of text. This app will let you quickly convert articles and text into this rapid reading format, so you can read and process much faster than you would be able to otherwise. By default, it's set at 300 words per minute, but if that's still too slow, you can crank it up to an eye-blistering 1,000 words per minute. Disclaimer though, the app does have a $3 price. Now, maybe Accelerator was too fast for you and you need a moment to cool down and relax. MellowMe is the app you'll want to boot up next. The app offers several different methods to help you relax. There are a ton of high-quality relaxing sounds that this app features. For example, there's a break at work category with guitar sounds, piano music, and xylophone sounds. If that's not your cup of tea, you can even listen to fireplace sounds, cat and or bird sounds. What's also neat is you can cast these sounds out to an external speaker or play them when your phone is locked. Trill Project is a new social network where everyone is anonymous and supposedly safe. Users are reportedly safe because you're assigned a color instead of a username, and there are moderators that will take you down if you post offensive content. But the idea here is that with everyone anonymous, you can share your deepest, unfiltered thoughts. There are communities based around particular interests or tags that you can follow, so you can kind of think of this app or social network as a digital support group. The last app we have is called Rope Heroes, and it's a guilty pleasure of mine that fills my heart up with nostalgia. You know those rope swing flash games where you have to swing your character as fast as you can through some sort of cave system, and if they hit a rock, they explode into pixelated, bloody parts? That's exactly what this game is, but it's a dedicated app for iOS with power-ups and various modes to play around in. The worst thing about this game are the ads, but it does seem like the developers have toned them down a bit since this game was first launched. With that last one, those are 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month of August 2018. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're brand new, and let us know which app is your favorite in a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.